Hello, so a new stealth model came out after a long time called Open Alpha. Apparently it's yesterday, but effectively it's today. And it's a multimodal SOTA that is actually something you can use as much as you like if you ever bought $10 on Open Router. And of course, the internet found out in one day which model it is, and it's Glm 5.3. You guys can actually see that my P Chrome is hijacking my browser. There's actually a Glm 5.3 in the back just working. Of course, this is collaborated from multiple sources. The model itself only ranks below Opus 5, GPT Soul, and Claude Fable. So technically, Fable really doesn't make sense to use with Opus and Soul out. So technically, Glm 5.3 is third. But the most interesting part, that you can use it as much as you like for a week. Albeit, I'm not entirely sure if it's truly unlimited on Open Router. But if you actually want it unlimited, essentially you're buying at least 1 week worth of infinite Glm 5.3. You can just buy it in OpenCut Go, which you can actually consume in other harnesses, which is nice. So I'm not saying OpenCut Code is bad, but this is a very useful optionality to have, and this is what I prefer essentially all to have. And that's kind of why I prefer like Codex over its competitors as well. Not like it's a bad deal anyway, because you can get 226,600 Muse Sparks by buying it. Before, we used to have some good DeepSeek Flash, but that went away. And DeepSeek Vision, expensive model, just came out today. And doesn't have a good deal, but certainly looks interesting. So I'll be leaving my invite in the description if you want a little bit of something extra for signing up. And while it's technically true that you can have the OX Alpha free in their Zen thing, but inside the Go sub, you can have it as much as you like. In Zen, you're not gonna get much use out of it. Like, it's gonna be like 10 minutes or so. So that's it. Have fun.